talking about this Telegram bot where we can just create email where you can just create emails and get paid off for those emails. So you can just the link in my description, where you can just click on, come to this post and click in this link, and you have just getting this interface, register Gmail and get paid for it. For each email you will receive 0.09 dollar, which is in NPR is to 12.47. It's very easy to take to this this is the way you can just earn from. Here is an button where you can just register. Click on register your register a new email account. So here is the thing, you can just copy this copy this email and go to your Gmail. Here is an there is an add another email in the account. Click on that, then click on Google, then just type your password, your your login password, then click on create account and click on for personal use. Then just paste the copy email name, or you can just paste it and click on next. There is an option for date of birth, so you can just add something random, where you can just 1965, male or female male, and just click on next again. Okay, here is I have received this. You are not a bot, just you receive. There is an skip, where you can just click on skip. Or you click on skip, then there is an option I agree, then click on that, and you have just successfully created the email account, and you have successfully created the account email, and then you can just click on done. Or if you are not able to create the registration of email, just simply click on cancel. If you are, then you click on done, and you can just get paid off the I will cancel. Why I have not created the email account for that. And there is then you can just click on my accounts, and you can see your then click on my account, and here you can see how many you have created or you have cancelled. There is an accept. I have created my account accepted, 2 accounts accepted for that. And that there is an refer option also, then click on refer, and you can just refer. Then you can just get the link of this refer link, and you can just get paid for 0.03, then 0.01 for the you can just get those amount. Your friends do the job, and you can get this things of amount. So you can just share your friend, and you also work in this application, and you can just get paid for the email creating. Then there is an balance option, where you can just click on that. And then you have seen my balance 0.018. then I will just click on payout. There is an I will receive my balance on PR. So I'll click on PR. Then I will, and there is an account number, where you can just see. Then there is an copy option, you can just copy the account. Then paste it here. Payout directly successfully created within an hour. This payment will come in an hour. But you can see here just my payout was just made. The payment was just payout from this bot from my peer account. You can just see that. I will show you. 0.95% was got reduced from the fur fee. There is, and you can see there's a payout from my 0.017. You can just go and you can see here Gmail farmerbot. This is the way you can just earn and just pay out from in your peer account. This is the way you can just earn. Okay, thank you for watching.